Meg and the crew Tesseract to another reality and hope to find their father. It's funny, the words they use, especially Oprah in the movie, hope and believe, trying to get you to stay in the mindset of faith and worship, looking for the one begotten Father, Jesus. I'll explain in a minute.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. A wrinkle in time. Out of darkness comes light. This is a ritual. A ritual to keep you in the circle of time. Meg Murray and her little brother, Charles Wallace, have been without their scientist father, Mr. Murray, for 5 years. Ever since he discovered a new planet and used the concept known as a Tesseract to travel there. Joined by Meg's classmate, Calvin O'Keefe, and guided by the 3 mysterious astral travelers known as Miss What's-It, Miss Who, and Miss Witch, the children brave a dangerous journey to a planet that possessed all of the evil in the universe. Okay, so we already know about the interracial agenda, right? That's in every movie, and that's going to be seen for years and years to come. Now, me personally, I don't care who you love. Love who you love. But they pushing a mindset into our subconscious mind? Well, that's just playing a little dirty. And at the end of this decode, you'll see why that's important. Everything in a few thousand years will turn back to this. Toasty! So you must know, in order for them to get in, they must fit in. And that means fit into your agenda before the circle of time expires. But this movie is deeper and a lot more complex than the jungle fever they want to program us with. This is about escaping the circle of time. This is about escaping the circle of time. This is about escaping the circle of time through a wrinkle in the time-space continuum they're trying to sell us on. Through our minds. Yes, going through our minds. See, we have the ability to let them in. And, well, if we don't, Tesseract. Tesseract is basically traveling light years away. In the blink of an eye, you travel thousands or even millions of light years away to other dimensions, to other galaxies. Basically placing you out of the 4th dimension, Earth, into the 5th dimension, spiritual planes and beyond. Getting out of the circle of time. The circle of time is called Earth, and this is where we find ourselves trapped in the 4th dimension. The 4th dimension is characterized by height, weight, depth, space, and the big idea, time. When you tap in and move into the 5th dimension and beyond, you'll begin to experience time doesn't exist. You ever wake up from a dream and say to yourself, man, that dream felt like it was 3 days or 8 hours. But when you awaken back in the 4th dimension, 20 minutes done pass by. That's because in the astral realms, your subconscious mind reigns supreme. And remember, your subconscious mind is all.
Message.
Subconscious mind, your spirit, has a bird's eye view. And like a bird seeing above, it can see the timeline of your story to help you with your intention from point A to B. Just like within your dreams, it will show you a timeline that seems like days, but you never know how you got to a certain point in your dream. You just start a dream and you're in it. There's never really no sequential flow in your dream, right? You just pop in different stages like a TV show. That's actually the magic of TV and movies. They make you feel like it's a dream with the different scenes they skip to. Never really going from a sequence flow. But that's another video in itself. Movie magic and the science of a bird's eye view. Subconscious mind power coming soon. So Meg and the crew test her to another reality and hope to find their father. It's funny, the words they use, especially Oprah in the movie, hope and believe, trying to get you to stay in the mindset of faith and worship, looking for the one begotten Father, Jesus. I'll explain in a minute. So Meg, her little adopted brother Charles Wallace, and her love interest Calvin journey on to find their father. With the help of the missus, Miss Whatsit, Miss Who, Miss Witch, who represents the triple goddess that deal with that Kundalini energy, that creative force, the feminine power, that Shakti power that's going to take you into that other realm. That Shakti power is that Kundalini energy rising up inside of you. It represents as three goddesses in Hindu mythology, Lakshmi, Parvati, and Sarasvati, or generator, operator, destroyer, God, G-O-D, that God force energy that rises up inside of you, Kundalini, to bring you spiritual messages. Go get the book, Chakras, Energy Centers of Transformation. In it, they explain the Shakti story, Kundalini, and how she rises up to the third eye to meet Shiva. Also, go get them Ashe cards. Not only will it help you understand the Trinity, the three goddesses, it'll help you in invoking them. LoveLiveLife.com. So with the Mrs. Goddesses, whose name is starting with a question, who, what's it, and which. These three goddesses help propel Meg and the family to the spirit world. In the comments, family, someone let me know what the three goddesses' name represents. Nothing came to me. As they're going on their journey, they run into a dark realm called the It, subconscious mind. In the It, there's a planet called Camazotz, where Meg and Charles Wallace's father is trapped. Meg wants desperately to rescue her father. The goddess wants them to go home to Earth and plan for rescue missions to the darkness. Meg's will touches them to the It, the darkness, when the three goddesses try to take them back to Earth. Just like in any magical spiritual act, your will is going to be the deciding force if you're going to get the job done. Where there's a will, there's a way. So to get placed into the darkness where they go on a mission to redeem the father. But remember, Disney is trying to make you believe that the darkness is bad. But we know better than that. You must go into the darkness to receive light. They were trying to stay in light, but go in the darkness to change your reality. Go into your subconscious mind to deprogram that shit you thought you knew. Your subconscious is key to this whole thing, and without deprogramming or reprogramming it, you'll stay sheep, mind controlled zombies. No magic for you. When they get into the darkness, they have scenes where you see the darkness showing you the conformity, programming of ways, trying to tempt you into doing something you always been akin to, conforming to society's way. Meg finds her father, and Charles Wallace appears to be on one, taken over by the It and its trickster ways. But as you can see, Charles is in his right state of mind when he's taken over by the head. Letting Meg know we are powerful chaos beings, creators. You have the ability to make choices for yourself and not conform to the worldview of things. Meg ends up getting her father out and Charles back to his other state of mind with the power of love. Love put them back into the earth realm, circle of time where the father is back and ready to be that Christ figure again. Keeping the circle of time intact and making him the middle point. That Christ consciousness energy is vital. And in these movies, they just keep in the stereotype of the ding, 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 ding. That's right. You guessed it. The most important being is Dream Wise.